For this video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache in WordPress. So I'm going to teach you two methods and how you can do that one. And the first thing that you can do is to simply press simultaneously the key Control Shift Delete on your keyboard, and then this is what you'll be able to see on your screen if you're using a PC and a Google or Chrome as your browser. But if you're using a Mac device, just press Command Shift Delete on your keyboard, and then you should be able to go to the same page. So the same process will work on different browsers. So if you're using a different browser than mine, so don't worry because the process is the same. So once you see this on your screen, just make sure to uncheck the browsing history and cookies and other site data, because we just need to clear the cache for this process. So once you have done that, just click this click data button on the bottom part of your screen, and then that will clear the cache of your browser, not specifically the WordPress only, but your entire browser. But if you don't want to do that, what you can do is to use Slide Speed Cache. So this is a plugin for WordPress. So if you don't have Lightspeed as your plugin, you can go to the plugin section and then just simply type in Lightspeed Cache on the search bar of your store. So I'm going to add new plugin. There you go. And then just type in Lightspeed Cache. There you go. So from the results, just locate this one right here. So once you have successfully installed and activated this plugin right here, just go to that plugin and then just locate this toolbox section. So in the toolbox section, you should be able to see this on your screen. So you have different options right here, and you can customize what cache you want to clear in your WordPress, but you can opt to purge all by clicking this button right here that says purge all in orange text. So just click that, and then a notification will appear on the upper part of your screen. And so that's it for this video. That is how you can clear cache in WordPress. So I hope this video helped you. And if it, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.